miniature electric scooter.
Open it! Come on! Come on! I want to see it! Let's get it open. Wow! Whoa! That is a nice scooter.
Whoa! That's amazing.
What's this?
This thing is very, very well packaged. This scooter is pretty much ready to ride. We have the charger and handlebars that you can hook up right here. This scooter is really easy to fold up for transport, and it's kind of light.
And it comes with a little tiny bell.
I like the colors black, red, and gray. They're really sharp. Here we have the on button. You turn it on, and it has charging indicators. We have 2 brakes, one with the dirt splasher and one for the electric brake right up here. This right here is the accelerator that goes nice and fast. Here is the kickstand. And then these wheels are ruggedized wheels. These look so sharp.
Don't forget about the bell!
Easy it is for moving from the transportation mode into the fully rideable phase.
Since I'm the Spark, I'm gonna set at the low siding, which is blue. That is 5 miles an hour.
I'm the Daredevil Spiky, so I'm going to put it up to the highest setting, red. Here we go. This is one of the best scooters ever! And that electric braking is perfect!
Nice. It's got brake lights when you engage the electric brake. Okay, for purposes of comparison, so you know how the F14 compares to other scooters in the market, we're gonna have a race. Flash, what are you on?
I'm on the E90 electric Razor scooter.
All right, scooter by Razor brand, very common scooter that you would find at the store. What are you on?
I'm on the 1990 Citybug E scooter.
Okay. And of course, we have the Spark on the F14. Are we ready for a race?
Yes.
On your marks, get set, go! It's clear that the F14 outperforms the E90 and the 1999 scooter.
The E90 is the normal name brand scooter that you would find at a store, but listen on how bumpy it sounds on the road.
It's pretty loud and rickety.
The Citybug E2 has a 15-pound battery and it's 20 years old. Let's go.
Not much comparison there.
Watch how smooth the F14 is, and look how quiet it is.
Silent. Just perfect. Oh, that sounds like the E90 joined the scene. You can definitely hear it. And there's the Citybug.